Hey everyone, it's been a while, but we've got something heavy to talk about today. This isn't just another video. This is an urgent message for our neighbors in the Ozarks, especially those in Bull Shoals. We've picked up a disturbing signal, a pattern of behavior from a company called Lakeview MTP LLC, and it's preying on people's fear and lack of knowledge about their rights. So today, we're going to arm you with the information you need to fight back, to protect your homes and your families. This is more than just a story. It's a toolkit for survival. So let's get right into it. The issue revolves around something called an unlawful detainer. That's a legal term for an eviction lawsuit. What we're seeing is a strategy where this company, Lakeview MHP, seems to be hoping you don't understand the process. They're counting on you to get that official-looking court summons, panic, and make a mistake. They want you to feel powerless, like you have no choice but to pack your bags and leave. But that's not true. Now, listen very carefully, because this next part is the most critical piece of information. In the state of Arkansas, if you are served with a summons for an unlawful detainer, a clock starts ticking, and it ticks fast. You have exactly 5 business days, that's 5 working days, not including weekends or holidays, to respond. You must file a written objection with the court clerk's office. This isn't optional. It's your lifeline. Think of it as a critical system reset. If you fail to file that written objection within those 5 days, the landlord can get a default judgment against you. That means they win automatically, without ever having to prove their case in court. And just 24 hours after that, they could legally remove you from your home. Filing that piece of paper stops the whole process in its tracks. It forces them to pause and schedule a court date where you can stand before a judge and tell your side of the story. It buys you time and gives you a fighting chance. Let's talk about another trap they might set for you. They might approach you with what sounds like a deal. They might say something like, just sign over the title to your mobile home, and we'll forgive any back rent you owe. This is a lie designed to trick you. Your home, the physical structure you live in, is your property. It's an asset you own. It might be worth thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. They are trying to get you to hand over your most valuable asset in exchange for forgiving a few hundred or a couple $1,000s in rent. It is a terrible, predatory deal. Do not, under any circumstances, sign over the title to your home. Your home is your castle, your security. Don't let a shell company pressure you into giving it away for practically nothing. Hold on to your title. It is your ultimate piece of leverage. I know this is overwhelming. There are people and organizations ready to help. If you're in this situation, you need to call for backup immediately. Their number is 1-800-952-9243. These are trained lawyers who provide free legal services to those who qualify. They understand landlord-tenant law inside and out and can help you build a solid defense. You can also visit Arkansas's Law Help online for free resources, forms, and information. Don't try to navigate this complex system by yourself. Reach out, make the call, and get the professional help you need to protect your rights and your home. We're not just putting this video out and walking away. We are actively monitoring the situation. We're checking property and assessor records for any suspicious title transfers. We're committed to keeping the signal strong and the information flowing. This is at Hillbillyguitardude and the Benevolent Research Oracle, signing off for now. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay grounded, stay loud, and know that you have a community behind you.